bite off more than you can chew. This idiom has been in use for 100 years or more. It comes from America and has to do with men who would share their chewing tobacco. And if you offered some to somebody, it was a warning not to be too greedy and bite off more of the tobacco than you could chew in your mouth. Nowadays, we use the phrase as a warning to people who have taken on more work than they can do, or more work that they can do well. For example, maybe you are going to college and you took more classes than you can do well in. Someone might say, don't bite off more than you can chew. In other words, don't take on more responsibility than you can handle.